Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have Land Cruiser 200 series. This is 2011 model, black colors, and most of them still in standard or stock condition, except for the maybe rims and the tire. So let's go through it. Hope you will like this video. Okay guys, this is the key. It's old model. It's not fancy at all, but this is keyless entry, so only open and close. Let's start from the exterior. This is the light, still halogen. Okay, not even LED. It's 2011 car. This is actually the top, the highest model in Toyota, but they still put a halogen in 2011. But yeah, cannot complain more. And also they put a fog lamp. And this is the grille. This is very big grille with Toyota logo. It's very big. Okay, the bonnet with some muscle looks over here, also over here. And there is also sign light, small here, yellow color, with the chrome of the mirror without sign light. And then there are also two keyless option here. Both are on the front. Back side not yet support. And by the way, 2011 mean 60 anniversary of Land Cruiser, so it's a little bit different with others. Little bit different mean only for the logo. Okay guys, only this one. Others are the same, nothing special. This is from the back side. No LED in this car. Okay, this is how it looks for the backlight with the reflector, night reflector. The towing, it's come as additional. And there is no roof rack even for this type. With one exhaust and covered in the spare tire. They put spare tire under. There is a mud flap here and also in front. And you have side step, big side step. This is how it looks like from side. It's simple, not much feature, but that is Land Cruiser, right? What we look for from the Land Cruiser is the toughness of this car. So as I told you, this is keyless, so you just put your hand like that, then it's open. Let's see the engine. There is a start stop button. Yep, for my car now the mileage is already 200,000 kilometers, which is still okay for Land Cruiser. For other car maybe it's like it's too much, but this Land Cruiser it's okay. I can still use it for next 5 years, hopefully. It's not much I can show you on the MID. There are only RPM, oil indicator, and then temperature indicator. It's fuel, and then yeah, if you open the door there will be indicator showing that the door still open, seat belt, handbrake, and you will see also the power of the battery. This is the total mileage I have, and this is trip A, trip B, and normal. Okay, so let's see the engine. It's actually covered, but yeah, let's see. You need to open it also from here. Open engine, and for the fuel. For the hood there is a hydraulic, so no need to put a stand for that. The battery is not that big. This is V8 engine, 4.7 liter. Still so many rooms are here, so you can put your maybe second battery over here. You can put the, this is for the snorkeler. For the snorkeler you can make a hole over here like that. It's quite good actually. There is no leaking for this car, and the sound still smooth. Okay, let's close it. Now let's see inside. As you can see, this is the driver side. Driver side, you have for sure cup holder here and more space over here. All mirror is already auto. There is also central lock, and you can lock the windows. Okay, this is the material is still fabric here, but this one is already soft material with wood. Not really wood, just wood model maybe I can say. Okay, but this is still fabric. This one is soft fabric, there is no leather here. And AC normal, on off, mirror, and you can control your light here, and also there is a light washer, so in case you are off-roading and it make your light dirty, so you can clean it from here. There is a sunroof over here. There is a sunroof. Okay, and only for driver side they have already automatic adjustment. This is to make it up and down. This is for the back, and there is a lumbar also. Only for the driver side. For the passenger side, they don't have this feature. Here you can see that same. We have also a cup holder here. This is for a cigarette. A window, it's auto already, and there is child protection here. This is also already support ISOFIX. No ISOFIX, unfortunately. No ISOFIX. And there is AC for the passenger here. The track, because it's off-road car, so you need all the handle. This is useful, man. This is really useful. And then yeah, passenger can control the AC from here. Also there are two 12-volt, only one actually 12-volt, and then for this one is two USB, so it can accommodate up to 3 passengers. You can charge at the same time, and you can switch off even the voltage on to see and off. Same from the right side with the AC, and auto mirror with holder, cup holder. In the front you have also sun visor mirror with the light. Okay, actually from stock one it come with the type not the touch screen, this old audio system, but now this one we change it with the Android system. Okay, there is a time showing there, and then this is the AC. For the AC, you can support auto, dual if you want to switch on the box. You can switch on the dual. In it will be more cooler. Okay. Yeah, this is the only difference with other systems. The 60 and something here. Like that. Showing 60 anniversary. Yep. It's quite big. Storage. H4, but no center deflect. Okay, so you have to push this one, then it will engage the center deflect. And if you need the torque, you can just do like that to change it to low 4. So you will have more torque. There are two 12-volt to the beach or overlanding, so you can have always a fresh drink. This is how it looks like. You can see that it's my driver's seat. It's so much space. Very good. Just to the back side. It's so much space over here. Okay, so let's check what we have at the back. Yep, big space here. You have okay, but they put it aside, right and left. It's easy also to put it, to release it. You just press this and it will come down like that. But I have a lot of stuff here, so I'll put it back. Okay, it comes in 60-40. 60 up and 40 down, so you will see like that. When you open, you have another space here. Even you can sit here, enjoy your coffee and see the sunset. Okay, what we have here, it's the tool. It's very nice. Yep. This is the tools. Even they have a 12 volt here at the back, and so many storage still left. 1, 2, and even not that. There are 2 cup holders. And all the seat belt, it's 3. Okay, so all are set. This is not coming with the camera. This is additional camera. And this is how it looks like from the back. Also, I think that's all, guys. It comes with 285 65 17, the stock size, but I changed this one with the Discovery Cooper Discovery 83 XLT. I upgrade a little bit from 65 to 70. Yeah? It all comes with disc brake, front and rear. There is a side step. This is the front with the disc brake. I just put small spacer there, so it lifts a little bit only. Maybe later we can put proper suspension or upgrade, because this is a off-road car, so you need always recovery point. There are 2 recovery points here from the front and 1 from the back. Okay, that's all I can show it to you about the Land Cruiser 200 series. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any comments, just put it down there. We can discuss together. We can sharing. Okay, but don't forget also to like and subscribe my video. Alright, so see you again in next my video. Bye bye.